Brother, anong pangalan mo? Nalimutan ko. Mustafa sa Christian. Ano? Jason, ha? Pilido? Ha? Isparas. Jason Isparas. Kasi, alhamdulillah, si brother, maraming nagtatanong, Muslim ba yun? Sabi ko, Muslim. Jason Isparas, Mustafa Isparas na ngayon. Marami kasi ngayon nga mga issue laban sa Muslim, nga puno ang internet. Nagtaka ako, ang Islam, tignan mo yung mga tungkol atake sa Islam, ang dami. Pero may relihiyon nga masamang-masama, walang nag-atake, wala ko naman. Hinduism. Imagine, ang Diyos baka, iniinom ang ihi, niligo ang ihi, pero bira lang nag-atake sa Hinduism. Islam, we are worshiping to Allah, the Most High, the Invisible Allah. If you pick up the internet, a lot of attacks against Islam. But Hinduism, for me, Hinduism is the worst religion. Hinduism is the worst religion. Imagine caste system, higher, lower, down, and this is the Hindu system. You drink the urine of the cow because it's holy. You take a bath, the urine of the cow, but no one attacked them. No one attacked them. They never ate cow because this is God. And no never laugh them, no attack them. No one is attacking them. But for us, we Muslim, you see Allah, they said, Allah is the God of the pagan. It's true. Allah is the God of the pagan. Even Allah is the God of the animals. Who created the animals? Allah. Who created the pagans? Allah. He is not only God of the pagan, He is the God of the pagans and God of all human beings. Pero palagi yung pinupokus, God of the pagan, God of the pagan. It is true. But it's only pagan. Look at the Arab Christian. Who is their God? The Arab Christians. Allah also. The Arab Christians, they're calling their God Allah. And they said, Allah is the God of the pagan. It is true, but look the history. Why? Sa kapanahon na ni Ibrahim alayhisalam, si Ibrahim alayhisalam, yung buhay pa siya, ang mga tao ay Muslim. Sa Isaac, si Ilan ni Ismael ay Muslim. Yung nawala na sila sa mundo, naging pagano ang mga tagasunod nila. Ngayon si Moses nga ilang araw lang, kung babasahin natin ang Biblia, ilang araw lang doon sa Mount Sinai si Moses, 40 days and 40 nights lang. Pagbalik ni Moses, yung mga tao niya, naging pagano na. They worship the golden calf. 40 days and 40 nights lang. How many years na wala si Abraham? Naging pagano ang mga Arabo. It is true. But they worship Allah. But they make association with Allah. Mayroong mga kapartner. May partner si Allah. Gayong mga Diyos-Diyusan nila. Yes, it is true. But ang mga pagan, they combine with other gods with Allah. Like for instance, today, there are Arab Christians, they said Allah. Pero they said Allah has a son. Si Kristo daw, anak ng Diyos. So, they associate. God, the Ruhullah. They said Ruhullah, meaning the Spirit, God's Spirit. Allah, si Kristo is anak siya ng Diyos, the Son of God. Astagfirullah. Okay?